I'm trying to get you a better view of it. It's really hard to with this. So much stuff in the way. There it is. So, when I pull the switch, it's not engaging. Now, if I push it with my finger, I can get it to click. But when I move the switch and try it, and go so far in, but it doesn't engage. So I'm trying to figure out what needs to happen to make it engage, or if I have a bad switch, or what's wrong. Um, it's apparent that either the bright light switch probably just isn't close enough to the switch, but I don't know.